Now that you've learned all the essential strategies and tools, it's time to put everything together and design your personal action plan. In this activity, we'll guide you through creating your professional development PD request timeline. This is a crucial step in ensuring that you meet your goals efficiently and effectively. Let's get started. The first step is to create your PD request timeline. Start by identifying the key milestones in your professional development journey. These might include researching funding opportunities, drafting proposals, submitting applications, attending courses, and completing follow-up reports. Each of these milestones represents a critical point in your timeline. Now, for each milestone, identify the deadlines associated with them. For example, if a grant application is due by the end of the month, mark that date as your deadline. Similarly, if you need to complete a course by a certain date to qualify for additional funding, include that in your timeline as well. Here's a crucial tip. Take all your time estimates and double them. Why double the time? Because unexpected challenges and delays are a normal part of any project. By giving yourself extra time, you're building in a buffer that can help you avoid last-minute stress and ensure that you meet your deadlines comfortably. For example, if you estimate that writing a grant proposal will take 2 weeks, plan for 4. If you think you'll need a month to gather supporting documents, give yourself 2 months. This approach not only reduces pressure, but also allows for higher quality work, as you're not rushing to meet deadlines. Once you've doubled your time estimates, organize your timeline in a way that's easy to follow. Consider using a digital tool like Google Calendar, Asana, or Trello to plot out your tasks and deadlines. These tools allow you to set reminders, track progress, and adjust your timeline as needed. If you prefer a physical planner, that works too. Just make sure you're regularly updating it. Make sure to review your timeline regularly and adjust as needed. Life happens, and flexibility is key to staying on track. Finally, stay accountable to your timeline. Share your timeline with a colleague, mentor, or even a friend who can help keep you on track. Regular check-ins, whether with yourself or with someone else, can help you stay motivated and ensure that you're making steady progress toward your professional development goals. Remember, your timeline is a living document. It should evolve as you move forward and as new opportunities or challenges arise. By creating a well-structured PD request timeline and doubling your time estimates, you're setting yourself up for success. This plan will help you stay organized, reduce stress, and ensure that you meet your deadlines with confidence. Thanks for participating in this activity. You now have all the tools you need to navigate the funding landscape, secure the resources you need, and continue growing as an educator. Keep going, and we wish you the best of luck on your professional development journey.